Thanks a million. Thank you so much for connecting and liking our page, Transforming You. This is just a wee quick video, just an invite onto our health hangout and to let you know that we've got free kettlebell swing out, and we also do a cool wee thing on there called Energy Shift. What it does, it basically gets the negativity out so you can get the positivity in there. So listen folks, I'm just going to do a wee quick bit of information about myself. Behind me here is me and Emma. That's my partner of 12 years. I actually met Emma when I had my entertainment business many days ago, and I haven't looked back since. Me and Emma have been together, and we've got big dreams and goals. So 3.5 years ago, guys, I got introduced to what I call the super supplement, and a few cool ways to help people actually transform from home. A lot to do with the laptop and online. 9 years ago, I was in a big house in Ballywalter where I did a few of the strategies that we talk about on the hangout with the mighty BBC, and we were lucky enough back then to get funding, guys. It was a lot of money to get that done, and I was one of the lucky ones that got picked to do that, and we talk a wee bit about that. So we do on the health hangout every Thursday night at 8 p.m. and also the kettlebell at this stage is at 10 a.m. on a Monday morning and 10 a.m. on a Thursday morning. But remember this, guys, the Energy Shift, there's the Ride and Burn, there's the kettlebell swing out, there's a few other cool ways that you can actually shift your energy and get negativity out. And in that big house in Ballywalter with the world famous Amanda, we got told a few strategies in there to take over, and I want to use that and everything that I got taught over the past 3.5 years to transform you. At this stage, guys, it definitely is with your health, with your weight, and we've got new ways for you to actually do that. And then when we transform you, we'll show you an opportunity there that we can make change in your life when it comes to financial things, let's say. So listen, that's Amanda and that. This is me here, guys, doing the kettlebell in a wee gym that I started 3.5 years ago. I was trying to get the word out back then, and it didn't work out for me. It failed, but if that did not fail, I wouldn't be here today as a transforming, motivating people person, let's say. So the kettlebell experience that I have and the Energy Shift that I have, I've combined it, and we've come up with this really cool way to help everyday people from home. I don't care where you are with your health and your fitness, folks. This is really good, and it's free. If you cannot make it, we have a recording there, and we send you the recording by email. You can probably see somewhere about this page where you can actually put your email. This is me up to date here in a wee picture on Facebook, and basically, guys, it is my email address. If you want to take this step further and want to find out a wee bit about this just right now, and you don't want to wait till the Thursday night or whatever, you want to talk to me or Emma, go ahead and you can email me on megarobinson007@hotmail.co.uk, and I'll get back to you ASAP. I'm just going to show you some results here. This is Joe from Donegal. And what's so brilliant about Joe's the first guy I helped on the laptop, and we have took 4 stone off Joe in this picture. Before Joe there on the left hand side, he was 20 stone. He's very sluggish, he slouched, you know, it wasn't good there, you know, his health wasn't up to where it could be. And then here we took 4 stone off Joe, and we did the strategy on what we talk about in the health hangout, and we also did the kettlebell here, but we did every single thing on the laptop. And if we tell you the same strategies, we tell you what we did with Joe. It was actually myself who did this with Joe, and I'm really proud, and Joe has managed to cap this off, you know, so that's cool. And then we've got Teresa, who's also on the hangout. Teresa helps me present the hangout, and she is a lovely lady from Belfast. But Teresa years ago went to London, and you can see on the left hand side here, guys, Teresa's health just deteriorated, and Teresa is actually really bad with arthritis, and she couldn't find any solutions. But again, we found ways to help Teresa transform here. About 2 years ago here, you can see Teresa is looking fabulous. Teresa did the strategies, but Teresa also did the mindset that you need to do. You really do need to get negativity out there, guys. It's like a rotten apple in there, and we can just get that rotten apple out, just like that. So that's Teresa, and Teresa's transformation is remarkable. To this date, Teresa feels more energetic, she can do more things, and she's inspiring people around the world as we speak. So meet Teresa on the Health Hangout, and we'll go in and Teresa tells her story and what she exactly did, how to do it, and it's pretty cool when you're listening to it live. She is a fabulous lady, and find out what it's all about. So listen, I just want to say thank you once again for connecting and for liking the page Transforming You. My name is Michael Robinson, also known as Michael Health Business Builder, the Energy Man, and my partner Emma. Us as a team, we have a group and we are building a team. If you would like to look at our team and look into things a wee bit more and see if what we have got is for you, please do just PM. From me and Emma and the gang, folks, from me and Emma, the energy couple, we'll see you on the Hangout, or hopefully see you on the Swingouts, and we'll also connect with you here on Facebook, guys. I do, folks, I do appreciate your time, and hope to see you there. Thanks for listening. Bye.